Hey everyone, welcome back. Imagine this, your phone says storage almost full, but when you open your gallery, you don't even have that many photos. No heavy games, no big movies, still no space. So where is the storage going? In this video, I'll show you something most people never check. Hidden folders. These silent folders keep junk files, old thumbnails, and duplicate media that slowly eat your storage. Today we are going to clean them step by step. Open your phone right now and follow me. First, open your built-in file manager. On some phones it's called My Files. On others it's just File Manager. You don't need to install anything. Now before we can see the hidden junk, we need to enable hidden files. Look at the top right corner, tap the three dots, go into settings. Turn on show hidden files. If your phone shows three lines at the top left, tap that. Open settings. Enable show hidden files. Now go back, tap internal storage. This is your phone main memory. Now we are going after the biggest hidden space killer, thumbnails. Open the DCIM folder. This is where your camera photos are stored. Inside, you will see a folder called dot thumbnails. The dot in front makes it hidden. Sometimes it may also be inside the pictures folder, depending on your device. In my case, it's pictures folder. Open it. You might see hundreds or even thousands of tiny files. These are small preview copies of every image you ever viewed, even deleted ones. Tap Select All. Now tap Delete. Don't worry, your real photos are safe. Your phone will recreate thumbnails again when needed. Now let's clean another secret storage eater. WhatsApp duplicates. When you send photos or videos on WhatsApp, your phone keeps extra copies. Over time, these copies become huge. Go back, open Android, then Media, tap com.whatsapp, open WhatsApp, then Media again, scroll down and open WhatsApp images. Now open the sent folder. These are duplicates of what you already have. Select all, delete. If you see a warning about gallery, ignore it. It's only removing duplicate sent copies. Now go back, open WhatsApp video. Open sent. Select all, delete. That's good. But wait, deleting is not enough. The files are still sitting in trash. Go back to the main page of File Manager. Open Trash or Recycle Bin or Recently Deleted in my case. Tap the three dots, tap Empty, confirm. Now the space is actually free. Now open Google Chrome, which is another memory eater app. First, delete browsing data. But remember, it will also delete your saved passwords and logins. Select all time. Now open settings, then go to site settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap store data. Here you can see gigabytes of data. I have already deleted a couple of days ago. Tap delete all data. If you want even more space, go to settings, open apps, pick heavy apps like Facebook or Instagram, and video editors like CapCut InShot. Open Facebook, tap storage, clear cache. Only clear data if you remember your password, otherwise you will be logged out. Repeat this for another big apps. Make this cleaning your routine once every month. It keeps your phone fast, smooth, and free from annoying low storage warnings. That's it. Simple steps, real results. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. And tell me in the comments how much space you recovered. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.